Are you struggling to add month labels to your Julian Day X-axis in R? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many data enthusiasts. Today, we will walk through how to effectively label months on a Julian Day X-axis using ggplot2. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your plots don't convey the information you want. You want your data to be clear and understandable, especially when it comes to time series data. This is a common issue that many people face. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is there any way to add month labels and tick marks to a Julian Day X-axis in ggplot2? This is a great question and one that can enhance the readability of your plot significantly. So why is this important? Adding month labels helps viewers quickly understand the time frame of your data. It makes your plots more intuitive and easier to interpret. Let's dive into how we can achieve this. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will make your plots even more informative and visually appealing. To begin, the user needs to create a basic plot using ggplot2. This will serve as the foundation for adding month labels to the Julian Day X-axis. Next, the user should define the month breaks and labels. This involves creating a vector of Julian days that correspond to the start of each month. Now the user can add the month labels to the x-axis of the plot. This is done using the scale x continuous function, where they can specify the breaks and labels. Finally, the user should display the plot to see the month labels on the Julian Day X-axis. This can be done simply by printing the plot object. Fun fact: did you know that the Julian calendar was introduced by Julius Caesar in 45 BC? It was a significant improvement over the Roman calendar, but it still had its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests formatting your Julian days as dates before using scale x date. Start by selecting a suitable origin date for your data. Then use scale x date to format the labels on your x-axis. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using the scale x date function if you're working with actual date objects. This can provide even more flexibility in how you display your time series data. And there you have it. You should now be able to add month labels to your Julian Day X-axis in R. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization.